welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to watch my other videos and see you like me so you can subscribe down below because I make fun videos and I'm pretty cool, honestly. So make sure to watch my other videos after this video. So today's video, I'll be doing a winter mini haul and I'll be trying on everything else too. So all the clothing that I got will be from Forever 21. First thing is this really white big fluffy jacket. It's so soft and I love it. It's perfect for the winter time. It's like, oh my god, it's so nice. When I wear it, I look like a polar bear. Seriously, when I wear it, it's like so big on me. I just look like a polar bear, you know? So I just got this plain white fluffy jacket from Forever 21. Yeah. Next thing is my favorite. It just reminds me of like very Chanel because I like Chanel. I just like this white blazer, but it's like so pretty too. It's like wow, it just gives me Chanel vibes. I love it, and it's so new with tags because I haven't worn it yet. I need like an actual perfect outfit together. So this is how it looks like. Yep, it's a mini blazer where it's like crop, it's not long. It's like up to my waist, almost to my waist. And then the next thing I got is this jogger. It's like different from my other jogger and I actually really like it. It's like so perfect. It's comfy, you know? So that's how it looks like. So I got this and this. Oh yeah, it has back pockets on your butt cheeks and 2 side pockets. Yeah. Oh, this is one of my favorite too, but I just feel like it doesn't really match me, but I still really like it. It's really pretty and nice to wear. I don't have anything like this because I'm always wearing like plain t-shirt, regular t-shirt. I don't wear a really nice top because I just don't. It's this really nice creamy top and it has this in the middle and then like all this little detail to make this. It's crop. And it's see-through, so I kind of like have to wear something under, which sucks. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I love how this isn't long for me, especially the sleeves. Like everything, if anything that is like sleeve top, it's really long on me, but this one is perfect. It's perfect on me. The crop is perfect on me. It's not too cropped and it's not too long. It's like so good, pretty. Yay. So yeah, I got this. Oop, it's kind of messy. I just threw them there. Don't mind. Okay. I got this plain white t-shirt because I really like Forever 21, their plain t-shirt. What I'm looking for at Forever 21, it's not see-through and it fits me perfectly. And I got it like years ago and it still fit me. So that's why I want to look for it again, but they don't have it. So I just got this one. This is V-cut one. And this one is definitely probably see-through, so that's why I don't really like this type one, but I just got it because I'm in need of a plain t-shirt, white one especially. The last clothing piece that I got from Forever 21 is this piece. As you guys can see here, I'm just gonna pull out. Is this crop jacket. I don't know what's it called. What is it called? Yeah, just a casual jacket in black and white, like a grid. It's crop. It has buttons in the middle, and it has two buttons. Oh my god, you can't even see it. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and that's the sleeve. It's so cute. I actually look kind of weird in it, but I still got it anyway, so it's fine, right? This is so cute. I love it. That's all of the clothing haul. Like I said, it was like a mini one. So now I'm going to show you like the two shoes that I got. That's it for this haul. So I also got this from Forever 21. It was on sale and it was like so cute to me. But then I kind of like, are you sure it's cute? This is how it looked. I got these boots. I never actually had these type of shoes before, so it's like my first, and it makes me taller too. Oh my god, sorry I'm looking up there, not exactly here because I have like the screen thing there. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh my god, yeah, that's how it looks like. Pretty. Although I do wish it was like the tip here was sharper because it looks like I'm wearing a rain boot shoes. And it's kind of not cute. See, it'll be better if it's like more sharp tip. That's fine. Okay, the last thing that I got was from Reflection, just like shoe stores. I got these platform. Oh my god, the box. I got these platform shoes. I mean, like sandals or whatever. And it looks like when I wear it, when I wear it looks like I have band-aids on them. And I kind of regret getting these just because if I knew, I mean, I did try it on at the store, but then I had socks on, so I didn't know. So basically when I came home and tried it on, I didn't have any socks. I tried it on, I walk, and then this part slip out. So I don't know if it was just how I walked during that time, but definitely, I don't know, because I haven't worn them yet. Like actually wearing that, I just try on. So hopefully they don't actually slip off my ankle, because it would be like a freaking waste of money for like but these were low-key cute, so I just got it, and they were on sale, like $5 off. Yeah, so hopefully don't slip off the ankle. I haven't tried them yet. And yeah, thank you so much if you reached this point. This is the end of my mini haul clothing trying on for winter. I don't know why it's so hard just to say the title. Mini winter haul, mini try on winter haul, something like that. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching to this point. I hope you guys liked this video. It was short, but I still hope you guys like this new video that I am putting out to y'all. So yeah, okay. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and watch my other videos if you haven't yet too. And I just want to say peace out, y'all.